How to become a seller on Temu. So if you want to become a seller on Temu, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Google or your browser and then go with search. Now here you need to search for Temu seller account or Temu seller, and then you need to go with the first link, which is seller.temu.com. Once you're here, as you can see on the top right, you will have sign up option. You just need to simply go with sign up and try to create an account. Go with the drop down, select your country or your region. After that, enter your email or your phone number and then create a password and confirm your password again. After that, go with register as a seller and it will ask you for your business information. So just simply go and enter your business information and then your administrator information and verify your email or your phone number. And once you're verified, your account will be created. And in this way, you'll be able to use or become a seller on Temu. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.